What this is called in Garo? Their natural cloth hanging have lost their originality. Namaste everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, I am exploring the Shal forest of Tangail in Bangladesh, and the way the forest is, oh my god, so peaceful and so nice to be here. I'm gonna show you the way and how this forest looks like. See. It feels so nice to be here. The wind is, the air is so fresh. Yeah, living. Oh, and this is where Garo people are living, around this forest. Wow. How they are collecting the wood. They have got this from inside the forest and on e-rickshaw they are collecting it. And they are from which village? Howla?
He is from Halwaghat.
Halwaghat. Halwaghat to near border na?
Near border.
हाँ.
वो बोल रहे ऐसे.
अच्छे. बोल ऐसे वहाँ से.
किंद्रा तो बोल नहीं आता.
हाँ. She is from Halwaghat, near the border, and Garo people live there also.
वैष्णव सुने? वो उधर जाना. वैष्णव वो चेहरा दिखाते चाहना.
Guys, we are not able to cross this sea because of cyclone Remal. The trees have fallen down, so we are trying to find a way from where to go back from there. Fell down from the root. This also. So guys, now I have come to Sadhupara in Vijaypur to visit a Garo village and see. This is the Garo village. So finally I'm inside the Garo village, and it's so nice to be here. I'll tell you so many things about Garo people who are living in Bangladesh in the end. So nice. Garo people, they stay very clean and hygienic. Namaste. नमिंग नम्मा
গোয়া
गोवा इंडिया।
गोवा बंदर
आप ही ये भी बंगाली बोल रहे हैं ना?
বাঙালি
गारो नहीं।
মেঘালয় ঘোরা শেষ বললো যে ওখানে তো বাংলা ভাষা ইউজ করে না কেউ, গারোরা সবাই গারো
सब गारो,
हाँ
हिंदी भी कोई बोले नहीं। हियर तो गारो लोग खूब बांग्ला बोले।
পরে ওই-
See?
এই না কথা আচ্ছা বলে চলে যাবে। কি সুন্দর কথা।
So guys, you can see the Garo mountain.
এটা কি শেষ?
They are not Garo.
ভালো লাগে। এ জামাই কই
Tasi.
আচ্ছা
Guys, see the dragon fruit.
না এটা রসুলপুর দিয়ে বেরিয়েছি, রসুলপুর দিয়া গাছতলি দিয়া
And
মানে ইন্ডিয়াতে যে ইয়া করে না এটা নিয়ে কাজ করে, ওর সাথে কানেক্ট করে দিব।
তাই
তুমি কালকে রেখে এখন লাঞ্চের পরে
Bhalo, if I connect you with him, where is that tree house?
এটা তো ভালোই আমার ভালো
Drum.
যখন যাই
No, this is not called drum. Dholak, I don't know.
কর্মগুলো দেখে আসতে হবে।
What this is called in Garo? Garo name? I forgot.
দামা
Oh, Dama, Dama, Dhotrang. Dama.
আমার নাকড়া
Ah,
if our house
ah.
anybody come
Mhm.
guest we eat-
Welcome, welcome with this.
not welcome, we notify our relative.
Oh, like someone has come.
Come, please come.
Oh,
If you are you free or if you want to join.
mm-hmm. This name I forgot.
Nagra.
Nagra. Oh, Nagra. See Nagra. Lalten.
এই সুজনের ডাক্তার
They're so creative.
দেয়া লাগবে তোমার
Guys, no light here, but I'm gonna show you something. This is what I like about Garo people. See, their natural cloth hanging. And this is where I'm staying. This place is so nice, so peaceful. No light on it, so difficult to show you. Can see how they have made this. See how creative they are. This is for their chew, but you can have water from this. See? This. They make everything by themselves. Basket. This is so nice. Love this place. So guys, actually the thing is that here Garo people, they have lost their originality in this area. I don't know about the border area side, but here they are like here if you meet Garo people, you will see them interacting in Bengali, so they have got mixed up with the Bengali culture, and here they don't feel so comfortable in talking in Garo. They prefer Bengali more. So I did not, I did not like what to say. So what I saw in Meghalaya, like Garo Hills, they were very authentic and they are very close to their roots and all, and they have preserved all that. Here it's not like that. Here it's totally different, and they are not safe here. That those who are staying near the border, India-Bangladesh border, they are very safe and all. They don't have any problem. But these people here, like here, they're facing a lot of problems, and they can't even raise their voices for anything. So they have to stay quiet, They have to live with whatever they have. So their life is like here. The life of Garo is very difficult. It's not easy for them. But no one can beat them in creativity. They are very, very, talented and creative people on this planet. So here there's nothing much to see in this area, so I'll be moving to my next destination. I'll go to Trishul, I think. I have to meet one of my friend over there, and let's see, from there I'll plan. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. With that, I'm gonna end this vlog over here, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe.